Guys, we all know that we're in an AI boom right now, but the next thing that you guys need to pay attention to is cybersecurity. I'm telling you, with cloud storage, data storage, and AI going around, I'm telling you, the next big thing is going to be cybersecurity, and it's already showing. I'm going to bring you guys some of the top cybersecurity stocks that you need to be paying attention to because they are already taking off, that you need to add to your watch list. Hit a new watch list. Hit cybersecurity, add it to your watch list. Pay very close attention to this because this is going to make millionaires in the near future. But before we dive into it, if you do want to join the Patreon right now, I have around 5 pro day traders inside of my Discord right now. If you click this button right here, you can get in for around $10 a month. I'm paying those pro day traders a lot of money, and you guys could come in and get their signals every single day. They post their options every single day. I post my technical analysis in there. I post every single time I buy and sell a stock. So if you want to be a part of the Lucid Dreamers, consider joining the page. Also, if you want to join the dream team, I'm teaching the wheel strategy in there. I've been doing the wheel strategy for some time now, creating passive income. This strategy is perfect for doctors, lawyers, teachers, CDLs, drivers, people that do not have time to look at the markets every single second of the day. And now that we're selling options, we're not buying options, we're selling options that put us on the chain that gives us a 90% win rate. And we've been generating passive income every single week doing this strategy on stocks that have high IV. So if you want to check that out, this link is going to be down in the pinned comment section. And if you do want to pick up some free stocks, join Moomoo. You can sign up. Even if you already got other platforms, they're giving away 30 free stocks for signing up with Moomoo. You click that, and they have an 8.1 cash sweep on your uninvested cash to sit inside your portfolio. So if you park over $1,000 in there, you're going to be earning 8.1 interest on it just from sitting inside of your account. So consider joining the Patreon and checking out Moomoo. Now, guys, here we are on the first one, which is BlackBerry. BlackBerry over the year to date has been up 58%, and over the last year alone, they're up 63%, up to $4.49. Now, I know you guys are saying BlackBerry, yes, the phone companies with the BlackBerries, yes, now they're cybersecurity, right? So now BlackBerry do have a competitive edge. They're a dominant player in the embedded cybersecurity solution, notably inside of the automotive vehicles sector. They have a secure QNX software that runs over 255 million cars globally, making it critical for connected vehicle security. Basically, what they're saying is that they're making it to where people can't hack inside of your cars. They have an AI algorithm to where people are not able to hack inside self-driving cars, hack inside your system. That's what BlackBerry is doing. So with their AI usage, BlackBerry Silence divisions, which is their AI division, it leverages advanced machine learning to predict and block threats proactively, significantly outperforming traditional antivirus solutions. So those antivirus solutions, BlackBerry came in, said we're going to act proactively, and they've been doing a pretty good job on it. The next one we're going to take a look at is F5. Over the last year to date, they're up 9.38%. They was up 23%, and over the last year alone, they're up 42%. Now, their competitive edge is that they're an expert in securing hybrid and multi-cloud applications. Their technologies, which include Big IP, NGI, NX, and Shape Securities, is uniquely combined their traffic management, the API protection, and advanced web application securities. It integrates AI from its acquisition of Shape Securities to effectively determine legitimate users from bots by analyzing subtle behavior patterns. So basically, when people are trying to hack a site, it can recognize whether if you're human or a bot by looking at subtle behaviors. And that's what F5 has been doing. That's what gives them a competitive edge. They've been doing pretty good over the last year. The next one I'm going to bring you guys is Broadcom, ticker symbol AVGO. Over the year to date, they're down 17%, but over the last year alone, they're up 39%. So they did have a little pullback, which is a pretty good signal for us that we could be getting it at a pretty doggone good price. Now, their competitive edge is that they're unique dual strength leading supplier of AI and networking chips, in which their customers include Google, Apple, Facebook, aka Meta, plus other powerhouses in the software industry. Now, their AI is used in semantic security software, including generative AI. for natural language threats, summaries, and autonomous threat analysis. It also provides AI infrastructure through its chips. Now, Broadcom predicts that the AI-related revenue could reach around $60 to $90 billion by 2027 in advanced networking chips. I think the chips that they're talking about is Trident 5. It's already doing pretty good with major AI cloud data centers, highlighting Broadcom's critical role in the AI infrastructure. The next one is FTNT. Now, over the last year to date, they're up 5%. They was up to around 20%, and over the last year alone, they're up 37%. Now, they specialize in ultra high performing cybersecurity using proprietary ASIC chips. So they're custom silicon chips. Now, this offer up to 5 times faster output compared to other competitions. Now, this happens all within a seamless integrated security platform called Fortinet Security Fabrics. Now, they leverage machine learning, for instance, threat detection and autonomous response, allowing natural language interaction and automated security actions. Now, the next one we're going to look at is A10. Now, A10 over the last year, they're up 6%. They was up around 16%, and over the last year, they're up 46%. I'm telling you guys, cybersecurity is going to take off. Now, they're known for delivering extremely low latency, high performance security infrastructure. Its ACOS platform uniquely combines powerful traffic management and load management. And basically, it has an advanced DDoS protection, pretty much stopping sites from getting attacked and hacked by these hackers. Now, it's optimized for telecom, cloud, and enterprise customers. And advanced DDoS protection optimized for telecom, cloud, and enterprise customers. Now, they use AI to quickly detect and neutralize sophisticated cyber attacks like DDoS. The next one we're going to look at is NET. Now, here we are on net over the last year to date. On year to date, they're up 10%. At one point in time, they was up 54%, which is crazy. So they did have a slight pullback, but over the last year alone, they're up 24% still. Now, their competitive edge is that it operates one of the largest global edge networks, spanning over 300 different sites with 348 terabytes of capacity. Its single unified platform simplifies delivering speed, security, and reliability for websites and API worldwide. Now, Cloudflare, NET, trust me, that's what pops up on the little websites every time you want to go through. This is what is protecting it. And then the last one I'm going to bring you guys is CyberArk, CYBR. Now, CyberArk over the last, from year to date, they was up 23%. Right now, they're down. They're almost at break even right now, 0.05%. But over the last year alone, they was up 27%. And at once upon a time, they was all the way up to 57%. Now, CyberArk is trusted by over half of the Fortune 500 companies. Now, CyberArk securely manages sensitive credentials, protecting organizations from breaches. Now, CyberArk's AI immediately identifies abnormal behavior or compromised accounts. Now, all of this enhances its security. So guys, there we go. That is some of the top stocks. Let me know down in the comment section which one of these cybersecurity companies is the best for you, because once everything goes up in the cloud, once everything goes to these data centers, people are not going to be trying to rob banks anymore. They're not going to be robbing stores. What they're going to do is our biggest threat is going to be cybersecurity. If they get a hold of all of your information just from bumping into you on the street, hacking your car, anything like that, that is going to be the biggest threat in the future, cybersecurity. And that's why a lot of these companies actually ran up over 30-40% last year. Some are having a slight pullback. Could be a great time to get in at a good price. I'm gonna do a little bit more research on each of these, but you guys let me know which one is your favorite down in the comment section. Are you already invested in cybersecurity, or do you think cybersecurity is gonna be a waste of time to invest inside of and just continue to invest inside oil and gas, electricity, and AI in the future? But let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite down in the comment section. If you do want to pick up some free stocks, I'm gonna leave a link to Moomoo down in the description. And if you guys do want to join the Patreon, I'm gonna leave a link to Patreon down in the description as well. But other than that, I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show. And I'm out. Peace.